you want to start using Google Analytics 4, aka GA4, but you're not exactly sure where to start, this video is for you. By using Google Analytics, businesses can analyze their website traffic and identify areas that may be underperforming or failing to engage their audience. With this valuable data, they can make the necessary changes to improve their online presence and achieve success. So, without further ado, let's dive into how to set up a GA4 account. First things first, if you currently have a Universal Analytics account, make sure you check out our blog linked in the description below, where we will explain how to set up GA4 on an existing Universal Analytics account. If you are starting fresh, the first thing you are going to do is click on Create Account. Then provide an account name and configure the data sharing settings to control which data you share with Google. Next, enter a name for your property and select a time zone and currency. Now click Next and select an industry category and business size. Click Next and choose your objective based on your business goals. You can choose to generate leads, drive online sales, raise brand awareness, examine user behavior, or obtain baseline reports. Once you have made your choice, click Create and accept the Analytics Terms of Service and Data Processing Amendment. Now to add a data stream, click on iOS app, Android app, or web. Input your website address and stream name. And finally, to begin seeing data in your new property, follow the instructions to install your Google tag on your website. You can either install the tag with the website builder or CMS, or install it manually by sending this code to your developers. They'll know what to do. And congratulations, you are now all set up for Google Analytics 4. If you're ready to take your analytics game up a notch, you'll probably want to track your conversions. Conversions are any actions that you want users to take on your website. They can be anything from completing a purchase to filling out a form or spending a certain amount of time on a particular web page. Tracking conversions in Google Analytics is a crucial step in understanding the effectiveness of your online marketing efforts. By measuring the number of conversions, you can identify which channels and campaigns are driving the most profitable actions from your visitors. This data can then be used to optimize your marketing strategy, increase conversions, and ultimately drive more revenue. In short, conversion tracking is the backbone of any successful digital marketing campaign and a key component in generating measurable and meaningful results. Now, let's take a look at how to create a conversion within Google Analytics. To create an event for your confirmation page, click on Admin. Then, in the Property column, click on Events. Click on Create Event, and then click on Create. In the field that says Custom Event Name, enter a name for the event, for example, lead_form. In the Matching Conditions section, enter the first matching condition. Under Parameter, enter event_name. Under Operator, select equals, and under Value, enter page_view. Now click Add Condition and add a second matching condition. Under Parameter, enter page_path. Under Operator, select equals, and under Value, enter your confirmation page link, and click Create. Now, to stay ahead of the game, ensure a seamless analytics experience by proactively designating the awaited event as a conversion. To do this, click on Admin. Then, under the Property column, click Conversions. Then click on New Conversion Event and enter the name of the new event, lead_form. And that's it. You've seamlessly integrated goal tracking into your Google Analytics 4. Referral traffic refers to the visitors who come to your website through a link on another website. Google Analytics makes it easy to identify these sources by automatically tracking and displaying the domain names of these referral sources in your reports. Identifying unwanted referrals in Google Analytics is crucial because it helps you identify the sources of web traffic that are either spam or irrelevant to your business. Such referrals can be harmful because they can skew your data, dilute the quality of your user engagement, and potentially compromise the safety and security of your website. To ensure that your data only includes the referrals that you're interested in, you can set conditions to exclude specific domains from being identified as referrals. To configure unwanted referrals, you need the editor role on the property. You can configure a maximum of 50 unwanted referrals per data stream. The first thing you're going to do is navigate to the property column and click on Data Streams. Select the web option and choose the desired web data stream. Within the details of the web stream, locate and click on Configure Tag Settings, which can be found at the bottom of the page. In the Settings section, click on Show All to view all available settings. Then click on List Unwanted Referrals. Under Configuration, select a referral match type and enter the domain identifier to match the desired domain. Now click on Add Condition to include more domains if needed. Once you're done, click on Save to save your changes. And with that, you successfully filtered out unwanted referrals. Now, analytics is commonly used to track how customers and users interact with websites. However, it can be tricky to accurately determine customer behavior when both internal and external traffic is combined. Internal traffic is the activity generated by users within an organization's network. It includes visits from employees, customers, partners, and other stakeholders who are accessing your website or app from inside the company's internal network. This type of traffic can skew analytics data if it isn't filtered out properly. For example, when evaluating customer engagement metrics like page views or average session duration, internal traffic may be misleading, as these visitors usually have different goals than external customers. That's why it's important to filter out this type of activity in order to get more accurate insights and make better informed decisions. To avoid this issue, you can filter out internal traffic by using a filter based on IP addresses. To identify internal traffic, click Admin, and under the Property column, click Data Streams. Go into the web stream and click on Configure Tag Settings. Then, in the Settings section, click on Show All and scroll to find Define Internal Traffic. Click Create and begin creating an internal traffic rule by entering your choice of name. Then input a value for the traffic type parameter. The default setting is internal, but if you desire, you can enter new data to symbolize an individual place from which your internal traffic comes from. Now, under IP addresses, you will need to add all of the IP addresses that you would like to filter out. And once you've done that, click Create. Now, to create a data filter based on your defined internal traffic, navigate to the Admin page. And under the Property section, open Data Settings and click on Data Filters. Then click on Create Filter and choose Internal Traffic. Now, start creating the data filter by naming the filter. Then, eliminate events where the traffic type parameter has an internal value. Now, choose the GA4 filter state to be either testing, active, or inactive based on your needs. Then, click Create. And that's it. It's that easy. You have successfully filtered out activity from internal users so that their data doesn't appear in reports. Tracking your reports is a critical aspect of web analytics. By keeping an eye on your reports, you can ensure the accuracy of your data and make informed decisions to improve your website. When it comes to tracking data, Google Analytics offers default reports that provide valuable insights to your website's traffic and activity. But you also have the option to tailor your own custom reports. Creating a custom report allows you to specify exactly what data you want to monitor. This is particularly beneficial if you need to focus on specific metrics or dimensions that are essential to your business. It also enables you to generate reports that cater to your unique requirements, especially if you want to track data that is not covered in the default reports. So, let's get into how to create a custom report. Start by clicking Reports, and then click Report Snapshot. Then click Customize Report, and you'll be sent to your Customized Report Builder that only allows 16 cards. Now, customize the report based on your end goal or conversions. You can scroll through the right side of the page and click Add Cards. You are then given an option to add two types of cards, summary cards and other cards. Once you choose all of the cards you'd like to have in your report, you can click Save, and two options will be shown in the drop-down. As a best practice, click on Save as New Report. Now, to pull a basic report, ensure all users are selected. Then, click on Add Comparison, and under Conditions, click the drop-down arrow and select a dimension you would like to include. Click Age and select your desired age group. Then click Gender and select your desired gender. When you're done, click Apply. Then click the Share This Report icon and click Download File. And finally, choose between exporting as a PDF or a CSV. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your first Google Analytics 4 report snapshot. Now, if you're working in a team and need to give users access to your analytics account, you have the flexibility to do so at either the account level or the property level. The level at which you add a user determines their initial access and the extent of their permissions. If you add a user at the account level, they will have access to all the properties within that account with the same set of permissions. On the other hand, if you add a user at the property level, they will only have access to that specific property with the permissions that you grant them. Now, you should know that you can always adjust the level of access and permissions for a user at any time. You will have full control over their privileges, which can change based on your evolving needs. To add new users to your account or property in Google Analytics, simply follow these steps. First, click on Admin in Google Analytics and ensure you're in the right account and property. In the Account or Property column, click Access Management. Then, in the Permissions list, click the plus sign, and then click Add Users. Now, enter the email address for the user's Google or Google Workspace account. And select Notify New Users by email to send them a message. And choose the desired permissions for the user by assigning them a role which includes administrator, editor, marketer, analyst, and viewer. Finally, click Add. Remember, the Google email address you use to add a user and their associated password will serve as their analytics login credentials. And that's how you add users to your Google Analytics account or property. It really is that easy. Now let's take your analytics to the next level by linking your Google Ads account to your Google Analytics. By connecting these two platforms, you can uncover valuable insights into how users engage with your marketing efforts. This integration allows you to visualize the complete customer cycle and make informed decisions to optimize your campaigns. You can track your return on investment and optimize your ad spend to achieve better results. This integration enables you to view the performance of individual ads, keywords, and campaigns and make data-driven decisions based on your metrics. Without this integration, you risk wasting your ad spend on ineffective campaigns and missing out on potential conversions. To integrate Google Ads with your Google Analytics account, open Google and click on Admin, making sure you're in the correct account and property. Under Product Links, click on Google Ads Links and click on Link. Select the Google Ads accounts you want to link by clicking on Choose Google Ads Accounts. Please note that if the account you want to link doesn't appear, you may need to check your permissions. Now confirm your selection and click on Next. And you will notice that the personalized advertising option is enabled by default. If you desire, you can expand the Enable Auto Tagging option to adjust your auto tagging settings. Please note that enabling auto tagging for a manager account will also enable it for all directly linked Google Ads accounts. Now click on Next and review your settings. Finally, click on Submit to link your accounts using the current setting. And by following these steps, you can effectively track and analyze your ad campaign's performance. As a data-driven marketer, improving website traffic and user experience should be your utmost priority. To achieve this, you need to have a deeper understanding of your audience's behavior on your site using web analytics. While Google Analytics provides key insights on your site traffic, integrating Google Search Console can give you a more in-depth analysis of your website's performance in Google Search. Combining these two powerful tools can help you uncover where your site ranks in search results, discover the queries that drive clicks, and understand your user behavior. To seamlessly integrate Google Analytics and Search Console, ensure that both properties are collecting data for the same set of web pages. Then, click on Admin and ensure that you are in the correct account and property. In the Property column, find the section labeled Product Links and click on Search Console Links. Click Link and click Choose Accounts to select the accounts to link to the Search Console properties that you manage. Now select the accounts and click on Confirm. Click on Next and choose the web data stream for your site. Click on Next and review your configuration settings before submitting them. By closely monitoring key performance indicators and analyzing valuable insights from Google Analytics, you can pave your path to success. If you have any questions on how to set up your Google Analytics account, or have any requests on what you would like to see next, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.